Welcome back to Tong Hatch channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a GIF on Capcut. I have an image of Ariana Grande for this project to show you I can make a GIF from this picture, but you can also use a video. You can make a new project with a video that you want to turn into a GIF. So let's start. First of all, I want to add some effects to this image to make it more interesting. You don't have to click on the picture, you don't have to click on the image or the video. You just click on video effects here and then choose any effects that you want to turn into a GIF. For example, I want to use this Blu-ray scanning, and then click this, and then I click on this resolution on the top of the screen, the 1080p, and then turn it into a GIF. Okay, you see here the setting of 240p. You can click this, or if you have the pro version of Capcut, you can also choose 320p or 640p. But here I'm gonna choose the 240p, the standard one, and then just click here to export it into a GIF. And done. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and let me know your thoughts in the comment. Thank you.